How to change Shopify store's default location. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. I will show you simply how we can actually achieve this. It is very simple and easy to do, and this is just going to help us, change our basically our address and place or country. This way we can have some priorities over another, and there's a lot that can actually change with this step. But how do we actually achieve this? So first, just go ahead and open up your Shopify admin, and then from here we just want to go to the settings tab on the bottom left. So just go ahead and click on settings, and then from here we want to find the location option. There you go. So you just go ahead and click on the locations option from within the settings on your Shopify store. And once you do that, we can actually go ahead and see the locations that we have. Now it depends on your plan, but you can actually add multiple different locations for your Shopify store. For my plan, I only have two, so you can see here using 1 out of 2 active locations available on your plan. So we can actually add more locations if that's what you want, and you can have some settings in between them to have priorities on one over the other and so on. Now we can just go ahead and click on the location that we want to edit, which is this first one, which is UAE for my case. And then what you want to do is just go ahead and click on the name, which is shop location, and you want to change the name if you want to do that. If you want to do that, it's completely up to you. And then you would want to just go ahead and click on address, click add, and then you would want to change the country. So any country here, so we can just go ahead and change it to UK, for example, and you would want to just go ahead and add an address, and then a random phone number as well, and so on. And you can just go ahead and click on save, and then we can just go ahead and cancel that for now because I'm not really going to add that fake address. But you can just go ahead and do so, and it's just going to change to becoming UK. Alternatively, instead of replacing the one that you already have, what we can do is just go in to the top right where you can just click on add location. Add location. And then here we just want to basically add the same things that we did on the previous one. So just give it a name. I'm just going to name it UK warehouse and click on done. And then same thing goes here for the address. You would want to just click on address UK or any country that you want. Address. Is there anything here? Yep, there you go. And then I don't know, random stuff here. Also random stuff here. So just go ahead and add your random stuff here. Obviously you would know the address of the location that you want and everything, but you want to just go ahead and click on save, and we're pretty much good to go. You just want to actually mark as valid and click on save, and we pretty much have two different locations now, where you can actually go ahead and click on one. If we just go back here, we can actually see the location priority option pops up, which we can actually click on view or edit location priority, and we can just go ahead and change them accordingly. So just go ahead and drag it up or down and click on save once you're happy with it. And this is pretty much it. So you can just go ahead and replace one or even add a completely new one. And you can also replace the default location. So right now it's the UAE for me. We can just go ahead and change it to the other one and click on save. And now this is my default location. You will need to obviously make sure the address is perfectly fine, not just some random stuff in there for it to work, obviously. So yeah, with that being said, this is pretty much how to do so. It is very simple and easy to do. So just go ahead and add the location, and then just go to default location, change it from here, and you're pretty much set. So thanks for watching.